Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will take some candlestick psychology trades, okay? And this is my first trade. Because we're coming down like crazy. This is a very strong trend. I see this craziest candle, but the problem with this is we might have a retracement, right? Okay, we also had this overlapping level make this trade be, have a retracement. So if it comes up, I will enter one more trade just to save this trade, okay? If it comes, okay, so I'm waiting for this one to come up, but I'm pretty sure that this trend should keep going, okay? Because if you look at this area, we had the same situation over and over. So we basically are trading on the market sequences, okay? And whenever we take a trade and we are expecting win or loss, it's basically like, for example, you know how this pattern works, right? So okay, no problem guys, let's just keep it going. The first trade was my fault. I was just, hold on a sec. Yeah, okay, here, that's very beautiful market. This is basically a bad market, but I love the bad markets because I can enter easy like this. And if I draw the trend line, you will see that this is the very good entry for me because this is a bad market. These are all rejections, and this is basically a rejection point. But keep in mind, you have to enter with marginal safety in these kind of markets. And also, you have to check if, when you're trying to enter the trade, 30 seconds of the candle should be left, okay? For example, here, I guess it was less than 30 seconds, and that was risky because it could just keep dropping, okay? So remember, in bad markets like this, there's tons of rejection points, okay? And you will enter on the common point of the rejection point, okay? So let's move on to the next pair. Okay, you see here that we have sellers entry from the supply area, and the market is actually a downtrend because we broke this trend line, didn't have a retracement really, created this supply area, and now we're back in this and we're gonna drop, okay? So here I'm thinking about going with the sellers if I see my proper setup here. I don't see it yet. So, and also we see rejection in every single candle right here, so it's better to enter with marginal safety, okay? So here also we have this rejection point, okay? So I can enter with marginal safety somewhere here, but the price hasn't come down, so okay, it's better to go with sellers right here. And if I lose this trade, I will go one more time with sellers, okay? Since we are in a downtrend, we had clear uptrend, right? So then we couldn't make higher highs anymore. You see that here we were making higher highs, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, okay? And then suddenly we stop right here. This is the highest high. This is the highest high, okay? Then we started creating lower lows. If you look closer here, this is lower low compared to previous low. Lower low, yeah. No, this is a manipulation. Stop, hitting people the stop loss, and then again lower low. This is a very good momentum to the downside, but you have to keep in mind that when you have candles having rejection, make sure you enter the trade with rejections, okay? For example, here also you could enter the trade. That would be a little bit of risk because we already have 4 candles in a row, so we might have a retracement as a green candle, okay? So never enter the 5th candle in a momentum. Here, okay, we had this rejection point, and the better entry would be here, of course. Right, this is a downtrend, right? Okay. This is the downtrend, and if you look at here, you'll see that the, maximum 3 candles of red candles, and again green, red, green, red, green, red, green, green, red, red, green. We might have another green, then red, okay? You have to you see, this is the 3rd one. Previous time we had maximum 3 times, so obviously this should be green, right, based on the market sequence. So let's see. I don't know. This is a bad market. Anyways, there's a doji. Okay, and if this candle closes down here like this, I will go with the buyers for the next candle. And also if it closes up here, I will go with the sell trade after this candle. If it closes right in this range, market's gonna move like this. Okay, so basically dojis are sign of a ranging and indecision market. Okay, okay, as you can see, oh my god, it rejected. Damn, I was expecting to close on here. No problem. When you see double, for example, this is the first doji, this is the second spinning candle, rejection from the both side. This is absolute ranging market. Okay, if you lower the time frame, you will see that this is basically a ranging market. For example, here this was trending, and now this is just a ranging market. Okay, so you can count on these ranges. Let's see if this candle is going to reject. For example, I mean by counting on this, I can enter with marginal safety right here. Okay, because most likely they're going to reject the price from this week, but for now it's breaking. No problem, I will go double trade if I lose this trade. Okay, I thought they're going to reject, but you know, it happens. I will go double trade with sellers after this candle. Okay, because we have indecision signs here, and the market should give us a retracement. This is one of those short shots that you can apply. Double trade for making the previous trade up. Always remember, having some losses should not mess up your mind. Okay, because always we have some short shots, we can make up the losses. Okay, never even care about losses if you know what you're doing. Okay, because it happens. For example, here we have this rejection point. It should kind of reject, right? You know, every time kind of rejected from this area, but this time decided to break, and you know, we were kind of unlucky to have this moment. Okay, just like the breakout in my trade. No problem, this one should be a red candle. Sometimes we have bad markets. Okay, that's so nice. This is one of those bad markets, kind of crazy fluctuations. Okay, boys, I'm sorry, someone was calling me. I had to stop and answer the call. Okay, so here we have this rejection point. Okay, and now we are expecting to get rejected again. So that would be perfect entry if the price touches this line. Okay, here also we have this. Oh, look at this doji. Didn't really work here. You know why? Because if you look at the market's past right here, it's also very strong trend line. Okay, yeah, we have this crazy supply area. Okay, crazy supply area. So yeah, that's why you have to know where the market is. Okay, this is there's also a round number, right? So if this candle closes on this round number, that would be perfect, but it seems that it's trying to break that. Nice, that's not that bad, but still. Okay, what is this? Okay, yeah, whenever you have a breakout of strong area, for example here there was it used to be strong, right? So market is always waiting for have a fake breakout, especially for example if this area is very strong. Again, if this breaks this candle, I mean this level, it's gonna bounce back again. Okay, so yeah. Here we have this doji. Let's see where the market is. Okay, we have this supply area, but you know, I don't know, Maybe I can't trust this doji. Let's see if there's a... Okay, we have the trend also. Oh, it didn't. Okay, yeah, and we created a very good ranging market here. So whenever the candle is gonna close on these areas, I will go with the direction of the support and resistance. So okay, let's see. Okay, I enter right here with marginal safety. You see, when you see double dojis in a market, like exactly right here, okay, it seems a super ranging market. So we basically, the dojis are sign of range, okay. When you have a doji, for example, like this, you have to draw the both side of the doji, because the doji is going to create a ranging market here. Even if it breaks, it's going to come back to the range. But if you have double doji, for example, another doji or spinning candles also are the same. We create a very stronger range. For example, here, the candle has gone crazy here, but still, we have to expect to go with sellers here. Okay, as I told you, we have this doji, and this has been broken, both of the dojis, okay? So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you learned something, please drop a like for me. If you didn't learn anything, you can, don't drop a like for me, okay? Yeah, thank you for all your supports and everything, guys. I love you so much. Thank you. Peace out.